Hey there, business owners. Have you ever wondered what would happen if an accident or unexpected issue popped up while working on a debris removal project? Could your business handle the financial blow? If not, don't worry. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of getting debris removal business insurance in the United States. This type of coverage is designed to protect your business from accidents, injuries, legal fees, and damaged equipment. If you want to get the insurance from the best-rated insurance company, check out the description box below. Step 1. Understand what debris removal insurance is. Before we jump into how to get it, let's cover what debris removal insurance actually includes. This insurance is tailored for businesses in demolition and debris removal. It typically bundles several policies to protect you from a range of risks. Here's what's usually included. General liability covers injuries, property damage, and accidents you're responsible for. Contractors E&O, errors and omissions, protects against business mistakes and negligence claims. Workers' compensation covers medical bills and lost wages if an employee is injured. Commercial property protects your building, equipment, and inventory. Tools and equipment covers your gear wherever it's stored or used. It's all about managing risks and giving you peace of mind so you can focus on running your business. Step 2. Assess your insurance needs. Not every debris removal business is the same, so your insurance needs will vary based on factors like the types of projects you handle, where your business operates, the number of employees you have, the tools and equipment you own, whether you own or rent property. For example, if you hire employees, you'll likely need workers' compensation because it's required in most states. If you're regularly transporting expensive gear to job sites, tools and equipment coverage is a must. Step 3. Find the right insurance provider. Now that you know what you need, it's time to shop around. Look for a provider that specializes in business insurance for debris removal and demolition. Companies like Next Insurance offer tailored packages that include everything we've covered. Bonus, you can save up to 10% by bundling 2 or more policies. When comparing providers, consider the types of policies they offer, whether they're familiar with your industry, customer reviews and support options, how quickly you can get a quote and bind coverage. Step 4. Get a quote and customize your coverage. Most providers offer online quotes, so start by filling out a simple application. You'll need details like the types of projects you handle, your payroll size, the number and type of vehicles you use. Once you get your quote, customize your policy to match your needs. For instance, if you're just starting out, you might prioritize general liability and tools coverage. Established businesses might want to add workers' comp and commercial property insurance. Step 5. Understand the costs. Insurance costs vary depending on the risks your business faces. Here are a few factors that affect pricing. The types of projects you work on, your business location, the number of employees you have, the kinds of vehicles and equipment you use. To save money, consider bundling policies with one provider or increasing your deductible for lower premiums. With Next Insurance, you can save up to 25% in discounts on business insurance like this. Step 6. Meet legal and client requirements. In most states, certain policies are mandatory. For example, general liability, often required to start work on a project. Workers' compensation, required as soon as you hire employees. Commercial property insurance, needed if you're leasing or owning business property. And that's it. By following these steps, you can find the right debris removal insurance to protect your business, employees, and clients. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.